Hello everyone, this is your ma'am and today I am here again with my new concept and I hope you liked my previous concept and you learned it better. So now today I am here with my new concept and my new concept is above and below. Above and below. So what is the meaning of above and what is the meaning of below? I will show you with some examples. Okay, first of all, say hello everyone. She is my doll and here is one cot, small cot, and here is a mango. Okay, so this is a cot and she is my doll. So she will sit here and then this girl or this doll is above the cot. This doll is above the cot. So this doll is above the cot and now what is this? This is a mango. So the mango is below the cot. The mango is below the cot like this. Okay, and she is my doll. So she is above the cot. She is above the cot and now this mango is below the cot. Okay, so now I will give you some other example like this is a Caesar. So the Caesar is above the cot and the mango is below the cot. Okay, so this is the concept of above and below. Now I will show you some examples like first of all we will start with this picture. So this is a table and here are some objects like cap, newspaper, specs and plate, and this is a cat. So the cat is below the table. Okay, so the cat is below the table. Okay, and the cap is above the table. The newspaper is above the table. The specs is above the newspaper and this plate is above the table and the cat is below the table. Below it means niche and above it means upar. Okay, so the cap is above the table, newspaper is above the table and the cat is below the table. Cat table के ऊपर है? नहीं, नीचे है ना? So that's why the cat is below the table. Now the next one is this is a tree. This is plant and this is a reddish. Okay, and it is below and it is below the soil and this is above and this is on. Okay, now next one is here are two boys. So he is above the ladder. He is above the ladder and he is below the tree. ये पेड़ के नीचे है. So he is below the tree and he is above the ladder. Now next one is wow. Observe the pictures and filling the blanks. Okay, we will do it in the end. Now next one is circle the object that is above the table. Okay, circle the object that is above the table. So these books are above the table now. So now I will make a circle. Okay, like this. Next is circle the object that is above the table, that are books. Okay, circle the object that is below the table. So table के नीचे क्या है? Slippers है ना? Then we have to make a circle on it like this. Okay, now next one is circle the object that is above the table. Now juice, glass of juice. So now we have to make a circle on glass of juice. Okay, like this. Now next one is so this is the picture of classroom. Okay, observe the picture first of all and filling the blanks with the correct word. Like this is almirah, globe, clock. This is boat and this is rack or almirah, and now this is rack or slips, or now this is table, and here is a pen holder, and this is a ball. Now where is the clock? The clock is dash the class board. So the clock is above the class board or below? Above. The right option is above. The ball is dash the table. On the table or under? Okay, now next is, so where is the globe? The globe is above the almirah, above the cupboard. The globe is above the cupboard, and the ball is below the table. The ball is below the table. Now this is the concept of above and below. Above it means ऊपर, below it means नीचे. Now it's time to leave. I hope आपको मैम का concept समझ आया होगा and आपने like भी किया होगा, आपने enjoy भी किया होगा. अब now it's time to go back. लेकिन मैम जल्दी से वापस आएंगी. So till then, goodbye and see you later.